How I define lamb chop? Of course, a well-marinated lamb, a fantastic gravy, and a well-done mashed potato. That's the perfect lamb chop for me. And today I'm going to share you my quick and easy lamb chop recipe at home. So I'll be using fresh lamb weighing 450 grams. I already washed and cleaned and pat dry. So let's do the marination. I'll be using 1 head of garlic. Using mortar and pestle is the most convenient and easiest way for me to peel off the skin and smash the garlic cloves. You could just smash it slightly just to release all the flavor from the garlic. Once done, transfer it to a mixing bowl and pour a generous amount of olive oil. Of course, you can use any oil of your choice. I'll be adding 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary and a dash of thyme and basil. Well, of course, salt and pepper to taste. Mix it thoroughly so we can just take out all the aroma and combine it all together. This is the most easiest way to let the meat absorb all the herbs from the marinade. So I'll be using resealable bag. So put the lamb and the marinade inside. Just release the air so it would be fighting and it would absorb all the flavor from the marinade. Marinating overnight is the best choice. The meat would be able to absorb all the herbs, all the flavors from the marinade. So this is the marinated lamb chop after 24 hours. So we need to let it rest for at least 30 minutes because the oil becomes solid. So just let it rest for 30 minutes at least. After 30 minutes, we could just transfer everything in a plate. Now we are going to make the mashed potato. First, we need a bowl of water. I'll be using 3 medium-sized potatoes and just peel off the skin. Slice in a small portion till it be able to cook evenly and fast. Soak in the water to avoid discoloration. Bring it to a boil and season some salt. Check if it's fork tender, then it's done. And then you need to drain the water and then mash to a finest texture. We need a melted butter. So over my DIY boiler, I melt 1 stick of unsalted butter and pour it over the mashed potato. Season with salt and pepper as needed. And mix it well. Add 1/4 cup of fullcream milk by adding little by little, and then mix it thoroughly until well combined, all well incorporated. This is the best and perfect mashed potato for our lamb chop. Now add a little bit of olive oil in a heated pan. It's time to grill! Of course, we could just also grill our spice and just turn over side so we can avoid it from burning. Flip it every minute so it can avoid burning, and we can get those flavors from the spice and herbs. So we can just take out the garlic, and it's already cooked and turns into nicely colored brown. You know guys, our house is full of aroma. It's really fragrant. You could just cook it the way you like it, over medium or well done. It's always your choice. That's why I love home cooking. Yeah. Look at this. Ooh. Okay, we're done. It's time to make the gravy. Melt 1 stick of unsalted butter over low flame setting. Once the butter is melted, we could just add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. And if you want it to be more thick, you can just add a little bit more. Stir consistently to avoid those lumps. We don't want those lumps in our gravy. Add 1 bouillon cube, but if you're using broth, that would be much better. Add a cup of water. You may adjust by reducing or adding a little bit more according to your preference. Mix it thoroughly until the broth becomes thick. Add freshly ground black pepper. Of course, you can add as much as you want. Some people add dark soy sauce to their gravy to make it look more vibrant, but for me, for a simple dinner, this is more than enough. Alright, now it's time to eat. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my show. I hope to see you on my next vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below. And if you want my full recipe, please check it out at the description box. Thank you once again. I'll see you guys.